Hey everyone, in this quick video, I will show you exactly how to generate realistic AI faces from simple text in 2025. No coding, no confusion, just quick results. First, head over to Leonardo AI or Photo AI face generator. These platforms let you type in the description like a man in his 30s with short hair and glasses and instantly create a unique face. Step 2. Sign up for a free account. Most of these tools give you a limited number of free credits daily, so you can experiment without spending money. Step 3. Type your description be as detailed as possible, including gender, age, hairstyle, eye color, even mood. The more detail you give, the closer the result match your vision. Step 4. Refine the output. If the first phase isn't perfect, adjust your text prompt or use sliders provided by tools like skin tone, hair length, or facial expression. Pro tip, if you want professional quality, enable high resolution mode. It might cost a few credits, but it's worth it for super sharp like faces. And here's the best part, you can download and reuse these faces or thumbnails, projects, or even characters design. Just make sure to check every site license rules before using commercially. And that's it. Type your text, refine, and download. In under 2 minutes, you've got a brand new AI generated face for free. Thanks everyone for watching.